Here's a quick video to show you how to copy your iTrain folder from one PC to another PC. So first thing you need to do is find yourself a USB drive and stick it into your computer. Here we have one here. I've stuck it in, and as you can see, it's drive L. Next thing you do is go onto your main PC. Normally C is your main drive on a PC. And then find the users directory. So you can see down here, users. Open the users directory, then you find your name. That happens to be the name I've called it here. So open that, and then if you look down, you'll see the list iTrain. Now there are two ways to copy this over. Either you can highlight it, right click and say copy, or you can just do a simple drag and drop onto the USB drive. That has now copied it onto the USB drive, as you can see here. And just to confirm that we're actually going to copy it back, if I delete that directory, there we go, that directory has now gone. So if we come back into users, or let's go back up the top just to prove it, we'll go there, we'll come back into users, we'll open that, and as you can see, there is no iTrain directory there at all. So we go to our USB drive, and the easiest thing to do, you can either just drag that up and drop it on there like that. That's now copied it, or I'll just delete it again to show you the other way of doing it. So that is now gone. We come back down, right click on it, click copy, go back up to users, find the appropriate user, come down to your username, just click in some white space somewhere and say paste. And there you go, the iTrain files are all there. So that is all you need to do to get it from one computer to another computer.